You come here to be a name and to make a name and really make a place for yourself. Here, you're not just a number. You come here to really become who you're going to become and leave with a family that you'll have for the rest of your life.
One of our missions is always, if we can take care of students' basic needs so that they can excel in the classroom, and so part of that is the place where you live needs to be comfortable and safe. We're always striving to update and make sure that our residence halls and spaces are nice for our students, so it's one less thing they have to worry about. We're a growing campus. Our residence halls are full and bustling, and those kind of projects in the residence halls bring life to our students to see like new and exciting things happening as this campus is also growing.
You've got ready-made neighbors and friends right there, right around you. Should you need help with something, they're right there. And so you end up making friends with people that maybe aren't in your typical friend group. Like in my building, it's really just a hodgepodge of a whole bunch of different people from different backgrounds, different majors, and you really get to kind of see life through their eyes by making friends with them.